Okay, welcome back to another Cooper's Leather. So today we are making a little prototype of a little sort of, it's let's say it's a headphone wire tidy thing. So clip it to tidy up your wires for your headphones. Because people like me, we're still in the dark ages and we're still working off wired headphones. So what I'm doing, I'm starting off by cutting some circles out of leather. So that is the lighter one is a goat hide. This one is an Italian chrome dioxide tanned calf skin. So I'm just cutting out some circles. I'm trying to. It's not the easiest. It's quite flexible, this, so I struggle cutting it. It's quite handy having a circle cutter as well. So just trying to cut it out. So once I've managed to get it cut out, there we go to the knives. I've given up on it. That's it. So I'll place those together. You've got an upside and a backside. Little thing I thought I was going to use, but later on I decided not to use it. So we'll use a popper, and then what we're going to use, as well as these things I just got out, are called these things. No, they're still the poppers. So the poppers here, and then those things I just got out, they're called Sam Brown clips. They're just some lugs. I was going to mark around the outside so I could stitch it, but I thought I'll just do a little prototype, just something quick and easy, just to get the inspiration flowing again. So now what I'm going to do is punch some holes so I can attach the poppers, attach the Sam Brown clips. So just a couple of clips. So when I come around to actually doing a proper version of this, I'll stitch it and it will look a little bit nicer, because at the moment it's not looking the nicest any form direction. So what I need to do a hole through both of them, and then what I'll do is I'll do a couple more holes just in the red leather. So that'll be for the bottom of the popper and for the two Sam Brown clips. Just make them a wee bit smaller because they don't need to be, well, these ones need to be bigger than the other ones. So now we've got the two things with the holes punched out. So now I'll attach the popper. So the lower popper needs to just be on the red side. And what we'll do is we'll just punch that through with my tiny anvil. And then what we'll do is we'll attach the Sam Brown clips. They're just screw lugs. You just screw in. And then what I'll do is I'll attach the other popper side. There we go. We'll just hammer it down. This is me. I need to go to the floor to hammer it, else it shakes the table around. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put some glue on and just glue it up, just so it's all stuck in. This is not going to be a finished article, this is just a small afternoon design project, just to get the inspiration flowing again. And there we go. And now this is what it is. just clean it up a bit. There we go. It's not the nicest, not the cleanest. I keep thinking I'm going to go stitch it, but no.
My money doesn't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I wanna see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my beard, you really have to see it.
There we go, folds up. And then what we'll do is we'll get the headphones and then we'll just wrap them up. There we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. This has been a very quick Cooper's Leather episode. Like, subscribe, and even leave a comment down below.